Hello everyone, welcome back to Fruit Facts channel, your go-to place for uncovering the secrets behind the world's most fascinating fruits. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into a fruit that has taken over breakfast tables, smoothies, and even desserts. Today, we'll be talking about the one, the only, avocado. That creamy, dreamy, green delight that's been crowned the king or queen of superfoods. Before we dive into this avalanche of facts and fun, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss the fruity adventures we have lined up for you. A weird and wonderful history. Let's rewind the clock. Did you know avocados were first discovered over 7,000 years ago in Central America? The Aztecs loved them so much, they called them avocados. Fun fact, it's a word inspired by their unique shape. I'll let you imagine why. Then came the Spanish explorers who thought it looked like an alligator pear. Bumpy, green, a little odd, but inside, pure gold. It wasn't until the 20th century that avocados hit the world stage and became the global superstars they are today. The secret superpowers of avocado. Why is everyone so obsessed with this fruit? Because it's basically a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with good fats that keep your heart healthy and glowing, avocados are nature's way of saying, you're welcome. And let's not forget, they're potassium champs, even beating bananas. They're also loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that do wonders for your body. It's like eating a multivitamin, but way tastier. Avocado hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's face it, avocados can be tricky. Is it ripe? Is it not? Here's the deal. Gently squeeze it. If it feels like pressing your palm, you're good to go. Too hard? Pop it in a paper bag with a banana and wait a day or two. Oh, and here's a game changer. To keep it from turning brown, cover it with a squeeze of lemon juice or olive oil. Now you can enjoy your avo toast without the stress. Avocados, the unexpected star of the kitchen. You think avocados are just for guacamole? Think again. Try avocado fries. They're crispy, creamy, and downright addictive. Or take a walk on the wild side with avocado smoothies. Trust me, they're like drinking a tropical vacation. Feeling fancy? Whip up chocolate avocado mousse for dessert. Sweet or savory, avocados can do it all. Crazy avocado facts you won't believe. Here's a fun fact. Avocados don't ripen on the tree. They wait until they're picked, like little green warriors holding their ground. And did you know the world's largest avocado weighed over 5 pounds? Imagine the guac possibilities. Are avocados too thirsty? It's not all sunshine and guac. Growing avocados takes a lot of water, about 70 liters for just one. But don't worry, you can still enjoy them sustainably. Support local farmers and savor them in moderation. After all, balance is key. Alright, avocado lovers, that's a wrap on today's adventure into the world of green gold. What's your favorite way to enjoy an avocado? Classic guac? Avo toast? Something wild like smoothies? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us keep bringing you the freshest fruit facts around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Fruit Facts channel. Stay fruity!